everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So they have chicken parm tonight. I baked me some chicken, and I've got some noodles. So, and all the lights are working now. My son's a genius. So I still have these ramen noodles, and Thai noodles. What I'm gonna do, I'm not even gonna drain them. We're going to put them right here on the plate. Alright. Turn that light on. Get the rest of the noodles. And get that last little bit. Don't want to come out of the pan. Then the swimming pool. Alright. Just leave those there. So I'll spread my noodles out. Put my chicken on here. And I am going to take the juices from the chicken in the pan. Remember not to touch this pan, it's hot. And we're just going to pour them right on over it. And there we go. And then earlier I harvested the cinnamon romaine lettuce. So I am just going to do this, tear it up. I'm going to save a few pieces for Anastsia so she can taste it. It's a different taste for sure if you're not used to having this kind of lettuce. Alright, there we go. And some cracked pepper. And a little bit of salt. And there we go. Alrighty, it is taste test time. Hopefully these are and there she is. There we go. Because I want to get a little bit of everything. And some of the noodles. So you have a spork, right? Alright. Let me tilt this back up. There we go. I'll get some noodles on there. Here we go. Oh, that's so good. Fresh lettuce from the garden. How about that? That is awesome. So, that's my dinner for tonight. Thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. And we'll see you next time. on our treasure home.